Hi, welcome back. This is Miguel. I will be reviewing another art piece on this channel. It will showcase both the time-lapse and me reviewing and going through the steps in the process of the art piece. So if you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So today's subject is the Chupacabra, a creature from Mexican folklore, and here I will be using pastel as the material used for this time-lapse. So let's get started. I go with the green and peach overlay, since the majority of this creature, at least in my version, is mostly green, dark green skin tones. And I immediately go for the eyes, because the glowing red eyes is a prominent feature of the Chupacabra. I pay close attention to the contrast in this one, since the body is lunging forward. So in the back you can see with the legs, it's all in dark forest green. And here I start sketching out the claws. It's known to have very sharp, very elongated claws. And I gave it a bit of a pattern with like the line work and the spines on the head. So here I am drawing the spines all the way to the back. And I add a bit of like the red stuff. That's just a very abstract kind of just adding a bit of flair to the design. Doesn't really have much of a function aside from having like complementary colors, both the green and the red, as they kind of play with each other. I even blended them. This is where I start blending all the colors together to give it a more smooth overtone. So in the back it's blended a bit more than in the front, where most of the detail is at. And I purposely leave the claws just lightly colored initially, but I started adding more contrast, more line work in the end, so that it pops out more. So here are the finishing touches, and there we have it. That's the Chupacabra. I hope you enjoy that time lapse, and I'll have much more art reviews in days to come, so I hope you enjoy that, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next review.